Here is an interesting app called Dump Snap Photo Albums, and in this app you can create some shared photo albums for Snapchat. So, for example, you can create albums like 2022 memories, or like trip somewhere, or just monthly dump, weekly dump, and all of that, and just share it with your friends. Add friends, and then you can have like a shared photo album. So yeah, that's the idea, and it's just for Snapchat. Then subscription length 1 week or 1 year. So it's either $6.99 per week or $39.99 per year. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So it's not a new idea, but for example, you can have that in Google Photos, like where you can create a shared album and share with your friends in Google Photos, kind of for free, or maybe in iCloud photo albums. But this is just when you like to use Snapchat, and this is just for Snapchatters. So yeah, for example, you can use the album with cute puppies, cute kitties. You can rename it, and then you can just choose prompt, and then like you can, for example, do like Saturday hike, and then you can just create dump. You can add some images here, whatever, and then this dump will be created, and then this is how it looks like. And then you will be able to add even more photos if you want. Then you will be able to invite your Snapchat friends here, and then also you can add this photo and then just share it to Snapchat. And then this is how it looks like, and then you can just share it with your Snapchat story, and then you will be able to send it to your friends and all of that. So that's basically the idea. Then you can also leave and delete this dump. So something like that, and that's just your shared photo album. If you like Snapchat and you don't want to switch to some other app, just have it kind of in Snapchat style. Then you just have your profile. You can change your profile picture, change your nickname here, and then you can share, you can contact, and then you can delete your account if you want. So that's basically the idea. Hope that is helpful.